welcome back to my channel. So today I have a Walmart / Ibotta haul for you guys. Everything that you see right here cost me a total of $2.71, or it makes each of these items just 16 cents. But before I get into these deals, if you are new to my channel and you are not currently subscribed to me, I would really appreciate if you will go ahead and take out the time to click that red subscribe button along with the notification bell so that you will be aware of each and every time that I upload a video. Also, you guys, if you enjoy this video, please give me a thumbs up, share this with your friends and your family. And so with that being said, let's go ahead and get right into it. Also, you guys, on this transaction, I was completing a bonus. I had a bonus to where I can receive $10 when I redeem 20 offers. I had already redeemed 10 offers, so in this transaction, I needed to redeem 10 more. And so that's what we did. So the first thing that I'm going to start with is going to be the Ritz Crackers. And this is the family size box. It comes with 6 stacks. These are priced at Walmart for $2.94. Ibotta does have a rebate for $1 back. So you will pay $2.94 out of pocket, submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1, and it will make this box of Ritz Crackers just $1.94. And then with the Kraft macaroni and cheese, this is the 7.25 ounce. This is priced at Walmart for 98 cents. I did have a rebate for 20 cents on Ibotta. So 98 cents, you will pay that out of pocket, submit your receipt to Ibotta for 20 cents, and that'll make this macaroni and cheese just 78 cents. And then with this Snickers bar right here, this is priced at Walmart for 88 cents. Ibotta does have a rebate for 50 cents back. So you will pay 88 cents out of pocket, submit your receipt to Ibotta for 50 cents, and that will make this sneaker just 38 cents. And if you would like to stock up on this, the limit is 5, at least on my account. And then the next thing we have is the Trident pocket packs. It comes with 28 sticks. So those are priced at, I went ahead and purchased 2 of those, and they are priced at Walmart for $1.88. I purchased 2. So 188 times 2 is $3.76. Ibotta does have a rebate back to where you can receive $1.88 when you buy 2. So $3.76 minus the $1.88 will bring your total down to $1.88, making both packages just 94 cents each. And then here are another 2 packets of Trident gums. These are priced at $1.12. I purchased 2. So 112 times 2 is $2.24. Ibotta does have a rebate for this Trident gum for $1.12 when you buy 2. So you will pay $2.24 out of pocket, submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1.12. That will bring your total down for $1.12 for both, or it'll make each one just 56 cents. And then right here with the Mountain Dew Zero Sugar, this is priced at Walmart for $1.98. Ibotta does have a rebate for $1.98 back. So that Ibotta rebate made this Mountain Dew Zero Sugar completely free. And then right here with my 3 Renewed air fresheners, these are priced at 87 cents. Ibotta does have a rebate for $1 back when you buy 3. So you will purchase 3 at 87 cents, and that will bring your total to $2.61. You will pay that out of pocket and submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1. That will make these just $1.61 for all 3, or it'll make each one just 54 cents. And then right here with the Lotrimin Daily Prevention, this is priced at Walmart for $7.96. I purchased 2, so $7.96 times 2 is $15.92. If you have SWAGBUCKS, SWAGBUCKS does have a rebate for this, and you will get back 1,400 SWAGBUCKS, which is $14. So $15.92 minus the $14 that I got back from SWAGBUCKS, it brought the total down to just $1.92 for the both of these, or it makes each one just 96 cents each, which is a really good price for this. And then right here with the Cremo Shave Gel, this is priced at Walmart for $5.97. Ibotta does have a rebate for $1.50 back. So $5.97 minus $1.50 that you received from Ibotta, that will bring your total down to $4.47. But not only that, SWAGBUCKS also has a rebate to where you can receive 200 SWAGBUCKS, which is $2. So $4.47 minus the $2 that you receive from SWAGBUCKS, that will bring your total down to $2.47. But not only that, if you also have Checkout 51, Checkout 51 has a rebate for $2 back. So $2.47 minus the $2 that you receive from Checkout 51, that will bring your grand total down to just 47 cents for this Cremo Shave Gel. Regular price $5.97, but you got it for 47 cents. This is a really, really great price, you guys. And then next up, we have the Degree body wash right here. This is the 16 ounce. This is priced at Walmart for $5.47. There was a $2 coupon on coupons.com. So $5.47 minus that $2 coupon, that brought the total down to $3.47. And then if you check Ibotta, Ibotta has a rebate for $2 back. So $3.47 minus the $2 that you will receive from Ibotta, that will bring your total down to just $1.47, which is an amazing price. And then the next thing, we have the Degree massage bar. So this is priced at my store for $2.97. There was a $1 coupon on coupons.com that I used, and that brought my total down to $1.97. And then Ibotta gave me back $1. So that brought the grand total down to just 97 cents for this Degree massage bar. And then with the Degree Deep Clean bar, this is the 4-pack. This is priced at my store for $4.97. Coupons.com did have a rebate for a coupon for $1.50. So that brought my total down to $3.47. And then Ibotta had a rebate for $1.50. So that brought my grand total down to just $1.97 for this 4-pack of Degree soap. And so that is everything that I got in this Walmart transaction, you guys. So everything that you see here, that before any rebates, the total was $50.69. From rebates alone, I got back a total of $13.98. So $50.69 minus the $13.98 that I got back in rebates, that brought my total down to $36.71. I also reached a $1 weekend warrior bonus. So I got that $1 bonus back, which brought my total down to $35.71. And then I got back a 50-cent bonus for purchasing at least 2 Degree products. So that brought my total down to $35.21. Then I got back my $10 for redeeming my last 10 offers that I needed to redeem. So that brought my total down to $25.21. And then I got my $16 from Swagbucks. I got $14 from purchasing both of these. And I got $2 for purchasing the Cremo Shave Gel. So that brought my total down to $9.21. And then I got $4.50 from coupons.com for the Degree body wash, the Degree massage bar, the Degree clean bar. So I got $4.50 from coupons.com. That brought my total down to $4.71. And lastly, I got back my $2 from Checkout 51 for purchasing the Cremo Shave Gel. So overall, my total came down to $2.71, making each of these items just 16 cents, which is amazing, you guys. My total went from $50.69 all the way down to $2.71. That is extreme savings. I am so happy with this transaction, you guys. I'm especially happy for that $10 bonus that I was able to reach. So that is going to be everything in this video, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to submit your receipts to Fetch Rewards. I did submit this receipt to Fetch Rewards, and I was able to get back some points for the low trimmer. I will insert a picture showing you guys how many points I was able to get back. If you are not using Fetch Rewards, I will have that linked in the description box below, along with my code on the screen for you. When you sign up using my code, you will receive 2,000 points. Same thing with Ibotta. If you are not using Ibotta, I will have that linked in the description box below as well. When you sign up using my Ibotta referral code, you will receive $20 when you redeem your first rebate through Ibotta. So that is going to be it for this video, you guys. Again, please leave me a thumbs up and some comments in the comment section, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.